I think the rain will stop. Where did we go?
Okay guys, let's go to Morocco. So last year I've been to the Balkans. I've been down to Albania and Montenegro. This year I want to go south. I will go first to Spain and I'll take a ferry. Then I will go to Morocco. That will be an interesting trip. A few people already asked me, do they have some charging station over there? Most likely for half of the trip, there will be no charging station. So I will have to find a solution. Look at that, it's beautiful. Every time I leave Switzerland, I just wonder why, because it's so beautiful around here. I think I'm very lucky this morning. Until yesterday evening, I wasn't sure if it would rain or not. I've been checking probably 50 times the weather. I'm using like 4 different apps, and still, until yesterday evening, there was 2 apps saying that it would rain and one that was saying no rain. The one that was saying that the rain would stop at 6 was the Apple weather app. In psychology, you call this confirmation bias. I wanted sun this morning, so I said the Apple app must be right. I almost forgot. I need to pick up something at the Amazon locker in the van. So I'm crossing to France now. Yes. Okay, so I picked up my package. Now, going to my next stop. So this is the main border near Geneva between Switzerland and France. It's called Bardonex, and I'm already on the French side here. Another 20 minutes and I will be at my charging stop, which is just above Annecy. Let's go. Yeah, it's here. Unity. Départ. Okay. Where is Unity? Here. Select charger. 39 cents. Départ de la charge. Oh, great. Was not an easy one, huh? 0.4, 15 minutes. My next stop will be just before Valence. They use the highway and they do a kind of big triangle here. I will add a stop in the middle. It's called Saint-Laurent-du-Pont. Okay. So now we have a straight line. It means that it will be shorter and better because my range is currently only 146. So I should be able to do it. I'm pretty sure that as soon as I leave the highway, the range will increase. 9 kilowatts in 1 hour. Let's go. Sky is already much better. Okay, that's my exit. Reserved? Oh shit. Oh, that's one. Not sure it's reserved actually, because they say credit card. Okay. Thank you. We are next to le massif de la Chartreuse. This is the part here, the left. Let's go. Wow. Look at that. That's stunning. Wow. Just stunning. So, I have planned all my stops because I want to save some time. I can't travel like you just take the bike and don't plan anything. My time is limited. I'm only traveling over a couple of weeks. It means that each day I need to achieve a certain amount of kilometers. I can't afford short distances, or at least not during this part of the trip. So that's why I schedule all my stops. It probably saves me 1 hour per day easily, because this way I don't have to stop to check the app, find a suitable charger. I just stick to the plan. And if at some point the charger is busy, then yes, I will probably lose a bit of time. When I do the planning, I don't necessarily look for free charging, because free charging very often can be a bad option, in the sense that because it's free, many people, they want to use it, so it means that the charge point will be busy. Hello. Okay, let's push it. Nice cafe. Should have stopped here. As soon as I touch the highway, the range will decrease. I have 65 kilometers to do. I should be okay. Next leg. Change of plan. They say they have type 2. Charge price. Shell. Woo! Super expensive. 0.63. Here. Yes. It works. Let's have lunch. %. My next destination is in 156 kilometers and I need 2 hours. All right, let's go. I will catch up with this truck over there and tuck myself just behind. He's at 90, I guess. Consumption is at 60. Okay, I slowly decrease. All right. That was the last part on the highway. And now I'm going to a small village. I actually don't remember the name. My range has increased on the highway. Believe it. I was mainly tucked behind a truck, but I think that also the altitude was decreasing, and it's probably the main reason. Who's gonna save you? Saint-Quentin-la-Poterie. That's the name. It was hiding. Yes. Let's see if it works. Saint-Quentin-la-Poterie. Carte. Communication. Oh yeah, it works. I charged at 65%. Should be enough. Okay, so it's already 6. I need 1 hour 25. It's not too bad. It took me longer than what Airbag is planning. A better route planner. Oops. But, I stopped to do some drone shots. I take my time, basically. So Oh, lot of insects around here. Let's go. You see. You see.
They ask you to download an app, eCharge Plus, and they charge you per session 18 euro. How do this? 18. So the lady at the reception was very nice. She allowed me to use the plug that is on the wall. That's perfect. Free charging. See you tomorrow. I'm going to Barcelona today.
Sometimes these gates, they don't work with the motorcycles, but this one works. I do the first leg on the highway because, I don't know, is it gonna rain? Maybe. And also, it will save me 1 hour. It's not bad. Good. Forgot to check the tire pressure this morning. All good. Oh, 37. Okay. Usually I check the tire pressure in the morning at the hotel, but this morning I forgot. Let's go. That's my new buddy. They really hacked like a wall. This space is super quiet. 47. Crazy. I stole this technique from Marcus at Mark Travel. That is quite fun. It's there. Okay, I need my cable. Tarif Lidl, tarif sans surcoût. Merde. C'est où? Start. Okay, that was a bad idea. I will move. Reveo. Let's see if it's better. Yes. Okay. Yes. Wonderful. I think it's the last stall. Right. How much now? 2:10 or 5 minutes on the highway. I'm in Spain. We can see the border village. Now it's going down. Easy. Okay, that's my charging stop.
Zero.
By the same.
Oh, okay.
Facciamo dulce con queso.
Con queso va bene.
Sì?
Sì.
I think that will do the job as a quick shoe extension.
94. It feels that the range has increased. It's maybe the temperature, 33 degrees. Can you believe it? Final destination of the day, Barcelona. I should be there around 5. Alright, see you there. I'm done for the day. I'm in Barcelona, it's 5 and tomorrow we have a very long day. I need to do something like 600 kilometers from Barcelona to Madrid. That will be a long trip. See you tomorrow.
And claustral cheese. These are sheep cheese from here from Catalonia. And you need to eat in just one bite. Foie gras and eo with a wasabi leaf. Serve the chicken toast. It's a chicken skin with a pico marco. Vinegar and anchovy salt.
This octopus is fried and you pass the octopus with the kimchi mayonnaise. After for the crunchy panko and it. And after you have the sea anemone fried with a corium seaweed sauce. And this is a pickles to clean your mouth. Yeah.